The importance of place value. Why does place value matter? Place value is the building block of maths. It is the cornerstone of many mathematical concepts, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Without a solid grasp of place value, students may struggle with these essential skills as they progress in their education. Developing number sense. A strong understanding of place value helps students develop number sense, which is the ability to understand, relate, and connect numbers. This grasp of numbers is crucial for problem solving and higher order mathematical thinking. Uh, Real world applications. Place value is everywhere, from reading large numbers to understanding decimals and money. Teaching students to comprehend and use place value equips them with practical skills they will use throughout their lives. The place value craft is more than just a teaching tool. It is a gateway to deeper mathematical understanding. By incorporating this resource into your lessons, you can help your students build a strong foundation in place value, setting them up for success in all future math endeavors.